Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudassir here, and today I am going to show you Alibaba Product Scraper to scrap products data from Alibaba.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this tool. So this is the tool that I have developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. Feel free to contact me if you have any custom projects. Okay, now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap products by using keywords. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will have to run this exe file. Well, today we are going to scrap products by using keywords. So we have 3 keywords here, and you can also use a list of multiple keywords with no limits. And here is the number of products that you want to scrap for each keyword. If you check all, it will scrap all the products including the next pages for each keyword. But now in my case, I am going to specify with it 30 products for each keyword, and if you check this option, it will export the data for each keyword in Excel file. And before starting, go in the option and choose your desired data columns that you want to scrap. I am choosing all, and these are some additional features. I will explain them later in the video. And click start button. Okay, it has loaded the website and searched the first keyword on Alibaba.com. Now it will start to scrap all products one by one from here. Okay, it is now scraping the data. And to count the number of rows, right click at any column name and click show footer at the last and click count here. Now it is showing how many rows are scrapped. And in option section, this option is to download the images for each product. If we check it, it will download all the images of each product in the folder. Let me show you. This is the folder. The images will be downloaded here. Now the images are downloading. Okay, I am going to uncheck this option. I don't need this right now. And this is the ask for custom filters option. If we check this, before starting the scraping, it will show you a warning message to apply your custom filters from here. And once you apply it, it will scrap the customized filtered products. And this is the saving data in database. The SQLite database system is integrated with this tool. If we open it, let me show you. So this is the database, and the data is saving here as well. And it is the export on completion option. It means it will export all the scrap data into Excel file automatically once it gets completed. And this option is to delete all the data from the database. And this is a notification system. All you need is to type your email and choose your desired time interval. I am choosing on completion. Okay. Now we have 3 keywords, and I have specified here 30 products for each keyword. It means we are going to scrap nearly 90 products today. The scrapping on Alibaba.com may be slow because it takes some time to load its pages. And to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results, and I will show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, the scraping process is near to be completed. Now it has exported all the scrap data and it is showing message that all the products data have been scrapped and exported into external file successfully. Now let me show you where it has exported the file. Okay, we had specified auto export for each keyword. So there were 3 keywords and it has made 3 files with the keyword name of keywords. And for example, let's open one. Okay, so this file is having the data of laptops and same as the other ones, and this is the file named with the current date and time. This file contains all the scrap data. Okay, now I show you how to export this scrap data manually. Click export button and specify your output location. I am choosing my desktop and type your file name here like my file and choose your desired output format. I am choosing this last one, and if you check this, it will open the file after exporting. Okay, the file has opened. You can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our file is ready and we had also enabled the email notification system. Okay, I show you how it notifies. Okay, I have received an email from DevAlpha. It is showing that process completed and total number of scrap records and the application name. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.